Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will do some practical work related to computer keyboard class 2. First we will see the touch screen device or electronic phone. Now look at the screen. Here are different images. These images are called the icons. They have command in them and we can study with the help of these icons. For example, look at it. Whenever we swipe, we can study. Here is weather forecast. We can see. Here is a folder in which we can watch the calendar, or we can observe the date. Play Store, in which we can download different apps or different games. Here is an album in which pictures are there. This is my camera. I can take the photos and I can enjoy the music. Now look at it. Here is Word. In Word we can write different words. We can for example, we are studying about the computer, and now this is computer, right? Now we are going to write about the computer, because we are going to computer is an electronic device. Whenever you interact you break ice. It promotes your thoughts. Your views are shorts or lots. It enhances your skills. With continuous use of Braille. Computer is an electronic device. Now look, we wrote something about the computer. We select it and we bold it. Then we italic, change the font. Now we can change. We select it, bold it, We can change its font, or we can change the color with the help of this. Like it is green, now it is red, now it will be purple, maroon, or it's better it will be. Now look at it, it is done. Now we can make our folder. We are going to make the folder. Look at it, name your folder. It is related to computer, we are going to write it. Now see, done. Now see where it is. Look at it, this is our folder related to it. On the word, we can draw the table, we can insert, or we can draw the table, we can write in it, or we can undo. We can write anything, select it, change its size, bold it, underline it. In this manner we can or undo the same. All functions or all things are reversed. Now see, all things are. Now we are going to study the PowerPoint. In this we can make our presentation. Look at it, this is our presentation. In this manner we can make our presentation. We can choose any design, we can color it. This is the icon of Facebook. We can search any information related to that, or here is Google search engine. We can study touch screen devices. All these are the pics of touch screen devices. We can search some more devices. See, these are the touch screen devices, or touch screen devices. And we can study the input devices. These are the pics of input devices. We study it in our book. Now we can observe, we can search some more information, some more exposure. Input and output devices. These are the input and output devices. These are the pics of, and it is also given in our lesson. In the YouTube you can search any, for example we can search the video related to paint program.
Hello students,
Today, we are going to learn about MS Paint. How many of you like to paint or draw? I'm sure a lot of you like to draw and paint. Do you think we can draw on a computer? Yes, we can draw on a computer. This is possible because of an application called Microsoft Paint, also known as MS Paint. To open MS Paint, press the Windows key on the keyboard. Next, you can see a search box like this. Type Paint in it. P-A-I-N-T. At the top of the search results, you will see Paint Program. Click on it using the mouse or press the Enter key on the keyboard to open the program. This will launch the MS Paint window, which looks like this. Now, to understand how to use MS Paint better, let's see the different parts of the program. We can see different parts of the program here, like tools, shapes and color. The white area that we see here is called a drawing area. You can change the size of the drawing area by dragging this zoom button here in the bottom right hand corner of the box. Let's see the different tools that we have in Paint. In the tools section, we can see a pencil and a brush which we can use to draw. We also have a lot of different brushes which can be used in different ways. We have an eraser that will help us to erase any mistakes in case we have drawn something wrong. We can simply erase them and make the drawing again. We have an option of fill color in a shape or a drawing. We can do so by selecting the fill color option, which looks like a bucket in the program. If you draw a shape like this, you can fill it with any color of your choice using this option. Another option is color picker. Using this option, you can pick any color previously used in a shape and color the other shapes with that particular color. The last option in tools that you see is a magnifier, which will help you to zoom or magnify a particular area, as we can see here. Besides tools, we can also see shapes on the toolbar. The Shapes section helps you to draw rectangle, oval, different types of arrows, lines, stars, and some other shapes too. The size option will help you increase the thickness of your brush or your pencil. Just like your box of colors, MS Paint too has a color box. You can click on any color in the box to use it. Now let's start drawing. We are drawing a flower here. To draw, take your mouse pointer to the pencil or brush tool and then click on it. Then click and drag in the drawing area to make a picture. If you want to use colors with the pencil or brush, then click on any color and then draw in the drawing area. And remember, if you make a mistake, you can always use the eraser to erase it. Just click on the eraser and then click and drag on the part you want to erase. Once you have completed your drawing, do not forget to save it. Now, how can you save your drawing? Follow these simple steps to save your drawing. Click on File, click on Save, enter a name for the file, click on Save as Type, select JPEG, click on Save. By saving your file, you can edit the same drawing in your next class. So, what are you waiting for? Okay ji, this is all about the YouTube. We can search some more videos related to our topic in it, and in this manner we can use YouTube as well as Google. Here is a map, Google map, that shows our direction where we are, or we can send our direction to others. It means that with the help of these search engine, with the help of YouTube, we can solve our problems and we can enhance our skill as much as possible. Remember this thing, that computer is a digital technology. It enhances your skills and it solves your problem whenever you use it. Now look at it. So many apps are opened. I can close all the apps in one.